Hello YouTube, this is Arianson here delivering you this week's episode of Computer Stuff, and now I'm going to show you a way to get Windows 8.1 for free. That's right, absolutely free. Now I would like to say I am not responsible for any legal trouble that you're getting into in the process of this. This is simply just a method that I found. It is not my fault for what legal trouble you get into, and I am getting rid of it as soon as I'm done with it. But that doesn't mean I did not find a way. I did find a way, and I have a working copy of it that I now deleted for legal reasons, but I just thought let's go ahead and give it a shot before I upload it on YouTube, and it worked. I'm going to do it again. In terms of stuff that you'll need, you are going to need a few things. First thing you're going to need is a Sharpie. Second thing that you are going to need is a blank DVD-R. Third is a hard drive with at least 5 gigabytes free. Fourth is a computer that you are able to install Windows 8 on. Fifth is a spare computer that you are going to get everything off of. Alright guys, so once you've gotten everything together and it is neatly in a pile and safely, the first step is turning on your computer that you are not installing Windows 8 on. It's pretty loud. Okay, so once your computer that you are not installing Windows 8 on is fully operational, here's what you'll do. You're going to press Start and then go to Computers and right-click and click Properties from your Start menu. And then you are going to look at this. You're going to need to know how much RAM you have, which should say RAM there in parentheses, or RAM, depending on whatever, I don't know. You'll be able to tell from properties though. Anyways, if you have 4 gigabytes or more, that will be 64-bit. If you have less than 4 gigabytes, it's 32-bit. The computer we'll be using today, it has 2 gigs of RAM, therefore it's going to be 32-bit. And anyways, again, 4 gigabytes or more, 64-bit, less than 4 gigabytes, automatically 32-bit. Okay. And so, let's open this. Anyways, 32-bit is here, and so we're going to go there. I already have it downloading here, which is just for convenience reasons, but here, paste and go. And so here we are, add.fli. I would like to say that these are not my downloads. I'm not getting revenue for this, someone else's. There was a video on YouTube on how to get Windows 8.1 for free. But he wasn't really much of a help because he didn't show us how to activate it. But because I'm using his files, instead of giving you the direct link, I feel like that he deserves revenue for it. Anyways, these files are exactly the same. This is like 95% done. It will be done any second now. Then I'll resume the recording. But I'd just like to show you that these files are the same, and I'm downloading one right now. Anyways, I will be right back. And just
okay, guys, the download is finished. And so now we are going to put your blank DVD-R inside the computer. The computer that you are not installing Windows 8 on. Okay, now to the screencast.
Okay, so as you can see here, the download is finished. So here's the next step. I will provide a link, but here I am searching Freeisoburner on Google. Then once we do that, we are going to this website here to download it. But don't worry, I will provide the direct download link in the description. And once this loads, we will download it. I already downloaded it, but we're going to download it again just to show you how legit I am. Because I am awesome and I love you. Okay, now put Freeisoburner 2. Well, no, I just downloaded this like 3 times. But put it on your desktop because you're going to need it. Anyways, from there. This should by default be saved into your downloads from the mega.co.nz. Anyways, so you are going to open Freeisoburner, and then you are going to open the ISO file. Now remember, go to downloads and then go to Windows 8 Pro EN-US_x86. You are going to open that, and then you are going to click Burn. And then it's going to write the ISO image, and then I will get back to you.
The download has finished, And I went ahead and took the disk out, and that's what the Sharpie was for. You are to label the disk Windows 8/8.1. Basically, this is a Windows 8 disk, but you can upgrade to it for free once it's activated. And don't worry, we will activate it. The next step is to get your spare computer. If it is a laptop, make sure it stays plugged in, because it's a good idea to have it plugged in. You're going to open it up or turn it on, and okay. Press the power button. You're also going to want to open the disk drive. Then you're going to want to select the thing on your BIOS that'll let you change the boot. Now, you're going to put in your Windows 8 disk. Just right in there. Slide it in. Give it a minute. So whenever you click DVD, it will not try to boot off your hard drive. It's a good idea to let it go a minute. Okay, I think we're ready. Anyways, press enter. And then, this is where the magic happens. As you can see, there's that little white light there, which is loading, and we are getting some work done here. And as you can see, I am reflecting off there. And you may have also noticed I changed my shirt. Press any key. I lost my shirt, believe it or not. During the video, I got really hot, and so I took off my shirt, and then I lost it. But, we'll find that. Okay. Now, as you can see, there is the Windows logo there. And once this comes up, I will show you what to do from there. Okay. So after 3 minutes, that started twisting. Anyways, so language to install. English, United States. Oh wait, no, I can't use the mouse there. Anyways, just select these options here. These by default are correct. Then you're going to click. Oh wait, that's right click. Next. Now, you hit install now. Setup is going to need to start. Let me close my door there. Okay. So. Alright. Enter the product key to activate Windows. So, there are 2 product keys provided here. Let's try the first one. Okay. Let me find a way to get my thing to stand here. Alright. License terms. I accept the agreement. It worked. So, here it will install Windows. Okay, custom install. My hard drive name is Swagglemort. So, we are going to write over everything. Windows is getting ready. I imagine it's restarted a few times. But once it says getting ready, this is the part where you can take out. Watch it pop.
It popped out of the computer.
Anyways, now that this is done, you can just set that there. Because we're done with it, you can put that in one of your boxes. Here, I have my Bible box, so I'll put 32-bit installation there. Because it'll be nice to have. Well, actually, no. I have a Windows 8 Professional case. Right. Okay, guys. So, I am now going to show you booting into it. So, you will select Windows 8 right here. And I will angle this just a little bit higher if I can. No, I can't. Oh well. Anyways, you can see the screen. The computer just restarted, like right after I stopped recording. From the getting started thing, and this thing is gonna spin a lot actually. But hey, you know, whatever gets you Windows 8 for free, because that's why you can. Okay. And so once this is finished spinning, it will come up with a few different things. It'll say hi. And it's like, we're getting things ready after I'm done personalizing and naming the computer. This is actually my brother's computer, and his hard drive malfunctioned, and he needs a new copy. And so he was running Windows 7, and I thought, well, why not I just get him Windows 8? Because I'm a good brother, and I love him, and just sort of, I love him. Okay, here we are. finalizing your settings. Isn't that fantastic? Anyways, guys, that is the exact same disk, I promise. And my tablet just flapped up, flapped down, flap up, flap down. Okay, I'm gonna stop giving you a headache now, just because I love you. Alright, anyways. Now we're gonna let this continue. For fun. I can actually skip part of this. Here we are. While we're getting things ready, check out new ways to use Windows. Alright guys, once this computer is booted and drivers are installed, I will continue from there.
Okay guys, so I just booted in, and so we're going to search for computer, and I'm going to show you that it's not activated yet. So you're going to right click on computer and click properties, and then as you can see here, it's obtained information. Windows is not activated. Now there is a chance that you may be able to activate it with the product key, but I've never actually been successful doing that. I did by accident once, but it's best to use a cracker, and I'll Okay guys, so from here, I'm going to open a notepad document with the file link in it and what we're going to activate it with. But for you, I will put in the description. I promise you that. Anyway, so here is my Sylvester the Cat flash drive that you decapitate to put in the computer, and it is very creepy. So I'm going to copy and paste this. Well, paste and go. Google Chrome as soon as it opens. It's being a bit slow. Anyways, you're going to full screen it and then right click, paste and go. For you it will be different, but same process. And then this is going to load here, my mega storage link. Okay, and so from here you are going to click download. And after you click download, it is going to initialize it. And again, Windows still isn't activated, showing you that. Okay, this should not take too long. I'm not going to cut it out. It's already at 36%, and 71%, 84%, 92%, 100%. Okay, so a zip file loads, and there should be one executable file in it, and we're going to run that. But I also would like to tell you guys that I cannot show you me activating it. I promise you it works, but if I show you that I'm activating it, then that means that they have proof that I broke the law. And if I don't show you, I haven't broken the law. And I also want to say it's very, I never heard of any people ever getting caught, and one of my friends works at Microsoft. Well, his uncle works at Microsoft, but he's his nephew. He doesn't know of anyone who got caught either. Alrighty then. So once the activator is complete, it will restart your computer. And just to show you that this is an abnormal activation, there's all these Windows script hosts coming up, which doesn't normally happen when you activated it. So I just kind of want you guys to see that this was not activated using the product key. I didn't purchase it because, like I said, legal problems with that. Anyways, Windows is activated. As you can see right here, everything works fine, and it's as simple as that. Pretty cool. And let's see if there's anything else that's necessary. Oh yeah, I need to update the computer next to get Windows 8. Now what you're going to do from here is you're going to go to change PC settings, and then once this loads, may take a minute depending on your computer's processor. You can just scroll down. Where am I going? Okay, there we are, Windows Update. And then you are going to check for updates, which may take a while, but probably not. And because of this, there's like 100 updates you need to do. I'm not kidding you. Then after that, you should be ready to install it.
Guys, I do not meet the minimum system requirements, so I can't update a Windows 8.1. However, if you do, I will walk you through the process as to how you get it. So, I will put the link. I'll put this up in the description. You will go to this website and get the free update. And once you're from there, it'll load this, but it says, sorry, this update isn't available for your PC, or you might be running an edition of Windows that doesn't support updating from the store. And that's the problem. Normally it would update, but this computer does not meet the minimum system requirements because it sucks. Really, it's a single-core laptop, Celeron, and optimized for Windows 7. But that's okay, because I am fine being stuck with this, I will just assure you and promise you that if you follow these same instructions and go to this website after you're done updating Windows completely, after you activate it, that you will have Windows 8.1. It'll take about 2 hours to install the update, and then you should be ready to go. You got Windows 8.1 for
Well, guys,
free.
we ran into a bit of trouble in the process, but we're here to install Windows 8. And you will be able to install Windows 8.1 if you reach the minimal requirements, because there really is nothing I can do to help you if you don't reach that. Windows 8 Pro should be upgradable to 8.1. In fact, I'm pretty sure all Windows 8 versions are. I don't know why it said that in the store, but I assure you guys that if you do everything right, if you follow these instructions and you have a good computer that can support 8.1, you should be able to do it. Anyways, everything was successful, and again, I'm not responsible for any legal trouble that you may get into while doing this. This isn't my fault, and I'm probably going to go format the hard drive now. See you guys.